Okay guys, it's Thomas again. The test video turned out pretty good, so let's get to the fun part. Okay, what I basically use, I've already got up here, is a website called HeroMachine. I've been using it for, I don't know, a couple years now. They've got a couple different versions out. See if I can zoom in on here. Now, whenever you go to type it in now, it's going to say HeroMachine. Like you see, you got the classic, and what we're going to get is the 2.5. Alright. Okay. And here is the HeroMachine 2.5. Now, I don't use this version anymore because they actually have a newer version. As you can see, the poses they have here are a little bit different in the older one, so I go for the newer one. So basically, when you come to this screen, sorry, my nose is running a little bit, allergies, so just bear with me here. Okay. Once you get to here, you're going to go to where it says try other HeroMachine versions. You're going to go to the second one where it's like a red and black hooded picture. That's HeroMachine 3.0, and that's the one I use. Okay. Yeah, HeroMachine Alpha. Now, this is basically a very simple program to use, or website, sorry. Try to zoom in a little bit. It's going to tell you what to go ahead and pick something to start off with. I always do the body. For the males, I always do you always have your slide out options here. I always start off with a male standard. It loads up everything, and then you have all these different pieces here, and all you do is when you click on it, as you can see, it'll pop up. Okay, and as you click on different ones, actually let me zoom out of here, there we go, that's much better. You click on different ones, and it'll pop up. Now, what I usually do is start off with the basic, just the very first one. Now, you'll come to this tab where it says body. Click the little arrow. My computer's being a little slow, but you got all these different choices to choose from. What I usually do to get started, I go to tops, which would be down here at the bottom right, and they always give you options if you don't click on it right away. And you got all these options here. Let's just go male spandex is what I usually start off with. It's a good basic. So basically you got all these different templates here that you can use. Now, one thing that I like to do, because you want more than just one design on your simple character. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is, now you can see what it does. Alright. See how it made it like a tank top now? But now if I go to click on one of these other ones, it'll change it. The way I fix that is see, it's already set for singles. Click it for multiples. Now what's going to happen is when you click on more, they're just going to go on top of each other. Alright, zoom back in. We're just going to do a default one, that we can get you a good idea what's up. Okay, so we got ones here. Sorry guys, still have to bear with me. It's the first time I've done something like this, so there may be a couple times where I stutter and stumble on my own words, but oh well. Okay, and you got different pages. Some have only one page you can choose from, some have multiple. So we can go with a little combination here. As you can see, got up several different. Now, I'm going to change the color of these so we can see what I'm fixing to do. And the color tab is right next to it. Your number one here is usually your outline color, as you can see here. Your second color is basically your primary, so we'll just go there. Alright, now your third color is the actual color of your line. You don't really want to mess with that too much. So, and all you do, if you want to change the color on something different and stay on that color page, just click on the part that you want to color. And we'll just do different ones here, because that way I'll show you what we're going to do. And let's go with a green on this one. Okay, now we can see the different layers. Now, you can really play with this on how they'll look different and all by actually just changing the layer that the item is. Now, you can see here, you have options for each item. You have move it to the top layer, move it to the bottom layer. Now this one, it actually flips it, which I'll show you, which that's really helpful for in a little bit, or you can delete it. So what we're going to do is going to play around with this for a little bit and just move the layers here. Some of them, and you just keep, pressing it up or down until, as you can see, I'm moving the green . Oh, I'm sorry, I'm moving the red. Okay, but basically it's pretty simple. You just want to move it up or move it down, and just click on which one you want to move. Okay, let's try something different here. Let's move the green up. It would help if I actually knew which one I was changing. Anyways, you get the basic idea of that. Alright, so that's the basics for the body. Now, I'm not exactly sure how long this camera's gonna tape each video, so I'll try to get as much in as I can on this one as possible. Alright, for your hands, then this is where it gets a little tricky. Okay, right, standard. Okay, that's not it. Okay, now see, sometimes, like, if you go to the foot left, it'll say just the male. It only gives you the male options. But now if you go to the right foot, it'll give you more options. So it's kind of messed up with it. I don't know if they're leaving it that way because it was an alpha for this HeroMachine 3. But anyways, the hands is another thing that does that, which I'll show you. Yeah, the hand is another one. So we'll just go with the standard. And you get all these different choices here. Now if you go to the left hand standard, they won't give you all these other options for monster hands and stuff like that. But there is a way you can flip it. Okay, say we just want to give them, I don't know, like a werewolf hand or something right now. Okay, as you can see it there. Now, since it only gives you the option for the right hand, here is where that valve where it flips it comes in handy. First, make sure you put it in multiple, because if you don't, it's just gonna pop the same one up. So now you already have that one down. Click it again, and as you can see, you have two of them now. But of course, you can see on here, it's the same thing. But now you click this one right by the X, and it gave you another one, and you can just move it over. So this way, if you see something on one option that you can't get another one, don't freak out, because there is a way to duplicate it, and that's how you duplicate it. My time is just about up on this video, so I guess I'll have to do a two-part video, and I'll show you all the rest in the other part.